This summer, Book TV is asking, what are you reading?
Senate Majority Whip Dick Durbin, what's on your summer reading list?
Well, I like to read books, and so I'm planning on reading Gandhi and Churchill. There's a new book out on the two of them. Post-America World by Fareed Zakaria. I think that's going to be a good one. My friend David Kessler has written a book called The End of Overeating, which I clearly need. There are two sports books that I like, Red and Me by Bill Russell and Yankee Years by Joe Torre. I think that'll be a good start, and when I get into a bookstore, I always discover something else.
To see more summer reading lists and other program information, visit our website at booktv.org.